Hello friends, story time with me Sneha. Today's story is a nice ice cream. So let's begin our story. One day, Skye came by Kyi's house on her bike. Would you like to buy some ice creams? She said. Have we got time? It's a mile away, said Kyi. Yes, we have time, replied Skye. The sun is shining. The day is fine. Let's ride to the ice cream shop if you like. Off they went. They rode for miles. The sun was bright in the sky. They felt like they were flying. Kite's tires were lime green. Skies were white. They got to the shop in no time. At the shop, they saw such sights. With delight, they counted the flavors. 9. They also spied fried ice cream, cake slices, and pies the size of ripe pineapples. As it was a hot day, there were also lots of lights. Kai looked at it all with great big eyes. But then he sighed. I think I feel like fries. Why? The very idea? Said Sky. We came on this ride for ice cream. Isn't it right to change your mind? But Sky was smiling. She knew they might buy anything they liked. She didn't want to fight. If we don't eat ice cream now, we can eat it tonight, said Kai in reply. Yes, Kai replied, but wouldn't you like a bite? Then they saw there were 5 slices. They were piled at the side of the glass. Oh, I spy a good one, cried Kai. Which one? Skimmed Sky. That one there, and he pointed out his prize. It was a coconut ice as wide and high as a skyscraper. That was it. What a delight! It cost only 3 dimes and it tasted quite nice. Thank you friends for watching this video.